altitude forests of Ilam, Nepal. The air itself feels ancient. The canopy is more than just a roof of bamboo and rhododendron. It is the ceiling of a living, breathing temple.
तो ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस कि यू हैव द एंटायर जंगल बाय योरसेल्फ, क्या है, मज़ेदार है यार। ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस मिलना मुश्किल है,
बहुत मुश्किल
है। बहुत कम जगहें बची हैं बिकॉज सबको ही जंगल पसंद है, जाना है। तो
आई थिंक मुश्किल है पहुंचना, इसीलिए कोई पहुंच नहीं पाया है। और अभी तक रेड पैंडा यहाँ पे हैं, तभी हैं कि वो भी इंसानों से भाग भाग के वेरी शाय elusive creatures।
जो एक फ्रेम आया है जिसमें बैम्बू खा रहा है रेड पांडा, अलग अलग तरीके से पे मतलब पकड़ता है डंडी को, नीचे लाता है और यूं करके ऐसे खाता है। क्या क्यूट लग रहा है। सो मज़ा ही आ गया। अभी ये पूरी फुटेज देखेंगे, आपको भी दिखाएंगे। I think this red panda expeditions for all wildlife lovers and explorers, jungle में nature
explorers, if you just want to be in nature completely away,
जो nature ने देनी है sighting वो देनी है। Tragopans are very much famous out here for all the birders। हमने आज देखी but हम capture नहीं कर पाए,
बहुत छोटा सा glimpse आया।
हाँ, and he was very alert। जैसे ही हम आए और देखा और सब भाग गया, आपने
एकदम भाग गया, एकदम very agile creatures। They just went through the thickets। पूछते हैं नीमादाई से, ट्रैगोपैन दिखाओ उनको, यहाँ सो रहा है। हाँ पैंडा तो बहुत सोता है। This forest is a temple for the local people and the most gentle and revered creature, the red panda. For the locals of Ilam, Nepal, who share these slopes, this creature is not merely an animal. It is a living prayer, a good omen on a lonely path. Through generations, it is believed that to cross a path with the red panda is considered safe journey blessing. People believe that its presence signifies that the forest is healthy and the balance is maintained. This belief of the locals is the bedrock of one of the world's most successful conservation stories. To harm a red panda in any way, as it is known as habre in Nepali, is unthinkable. If you want to disturb the sacred harmony of the forest and invite misfortune, you would do something like this. In places like this, no fence or sign can protect these creatures. It's a powerful deterrent, a belief that will take you far. Woven in folklore and respect, this is a protective shield for the red panda. And so, the red panda thrives here, moving like a wisp of russet smoke through the branches. The community here does not see the forest as a resource to be exploited. They see this as a temple. It is a powerful testament that the most effective guardian of the wildlife is a human heart that still sees the sacred in the wild and lets the wild live.
I think red pandas are one of the elusive species which not a lot of people know about. And I think once you get a glimpse of the panda in the wild, I don't think you'll ever forget the image. It's one of the most adorable and then charming mammal that we have here, and it has been widely poached throughout many years. But now with the help of the community and a lot of active organization, so the population has increased. Also hand in hand, the community plays an active role in the conservation, because who knows the forest better than the community over here. So because they are out there in the forest doing a regular recce, because of that a lot of poaching has been controlled and a lot of illegal activities have been controlled over here.
रेड पैंडा की कॉल आ गई है साहिबा को, वो गई है आगे ट्रैकर्स।
हाँ, सेकंड डे भी ट्रैक हो गया है यार, सेकंड डे स्पॉट हो गया है।
एब्सोल्युटली, और डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल है। Nepal has one of the most diverse landscapes.
Ideal habitat.
So you'll see the fruits coming out after monsoon, and they will feed on these fruits. So they're usually around this thicket, and their nest is somewhere on the left. That is their nesting area. Over there.
So we are in the middle of the forest and we've tracked a red panda. You can see Nimadai.
So the red pandas are very elusive animals. We have to see them in dense foliage of all the bamboo trees. It's very hard to see from the iPhone camera, but Nikon will try to make you see some pictures of this panda. Guys, this is the terrain. We are in the middle of bamboo forest, and there are no trails, and it's only me and my trekking person with me. Can't speak loud. We have made the path ourselves. We just have to climb up the mountain. I think if you want this kind of experience where only you have the jungle by yourself and not many people and the red panda with you.
फिर कैसा था रेड पैंडा?
बढ़िया बैम्बू खाते हुए पूरी फुटेज आई है.
वहाँ केव्स भी थे ना यार एक दो.
हाँ भाई 2 केव्स देखी और ऐसा लग रहा था कि बिल्कुल लेपर्ड का ही मतलब
वहीं आने वाला है
एरिया है. और मैं अकेले था. मैंने ट्रैकर वो बुलाने गया था तुझे नीचे.
हाँ.
तो मैं अकेला था और मैं जंगल पूरा चारों तरफ जंगल में अकेला हूँ. मैं कहा भाई कोई लेपर्ड ना आ जाए और मुझे लग रहा है कि कोई देख रहा है मुझे.
बस.
साहब चिकन बनाया जा रहा है. करणवीर सिंह वांगा.
Yes. Chicken on the way
चिकन
with the special Nimkesh masalas.
निमकिश मसाला हमारे साथ नेपाल के जंगलों में भी आ गए.
आ गया.
बहुत उम्मीदें हैं. लोगों की छन्नी तो नहीं है, पैन है ना ये.
हाँ ये पैन है.
वादने से लग रहा है छन्नी है नीचे से निकल रहा है.
वो छन्नी दूसरी है जिसमें पड़ा है.
The local community over here, so they're mostly Sherpas. They do their daily farming, they go to the woods, they collect their fodder, and then that's how their livelihood is over here. So earlier people, when they did not know the significance of the mammals, so they didn't know what was happening inside the forest. So there was a lot of poaching taking place. So 20 years back, when Red Panda Network, they came over here, they did the first collaring project of red pandas over here. So after that, they did a lot of awareness programs. They started getting eco trips over here, which was another way for the community to make, to sustain their livelihood. So slowly after that, this place started reaching out to other places also. So now because of that, people have started to run their own homestays, which is like a regular source of income for them as well.